Insert a donut shape. Remove the outline and apply your preferred fill color. Insert a partial donut, arc shape. Scale it down to be smaller than the base. Remove the outline and apply a contrasting fill color. Position this over the primary donut shape. Insert project-relevant icons onto the donut. Set the graphics fill color to white for visibility. Center the smaller donut shape over the first icon. Change that specific icon's color to match the primary donut's fill. Add aligned text labels for the icon. Create duplicate slides for the remaining project icons. Ensure the smaller donut shape and corresponding text are aligned with the active icon on each slide to prepare for the morph transition. Relocate the accent shape to the opposite side of the primary donut to create visual balance. Adjust the background color of your slides for optimal contrast. Create a duplicate of the first slide. Clear the text boxes, and shift the accent shape to the diametrically opposite position on the base donut. Select all slides in the deck, apply the morph transition, and set the duration to 4.00 seconds. The following preview illustrates the final result of the morph transition and design layout.